guys, welcome back once again to this channel. Kindly subscribe if this is your first time or you've been visiting, you haven't subscribed, and share this video. All right. So what we'll be taking today is how to design a 3D logo, a mock-up. How to design an amazing mock-up without stress. So I'll first start with the shape I'll be making use of here. So I'll be making use of this triangular shape. Mark good. Then increase the size to cover this space a bit. I can change the color. Let me change the color. I'll pick this blue. So I'll take another shape. Then reduce the width. I'll adjust this a bit. Good. Then reduce the width of this and rotate it. Rotate it in such a way that it will match with the line of this triangle. So I can just place this here, copy it, let me bring it down a bit. So I can just bring this down. And then this particular one also, I'll rotate it this way, then place it here. Sorry. Let me use this instead. I'll place this at the middle, then copy this. Change the color. I'll change the color to white. Then reduce the size. Use this relative position to make it to be at the middle. Good. Good. So I'll unmask this. Then place it here. Good. Then I'll unmask this also. Rotate it. And then place it here too. Then I will select this shape and copy it. Change the color to blue. Then place it here. Just place it in such a way that they will match together with the previous ones. Good. Then I'll select this, move it to the front, increase the size a bit, and then move it down, just like this. I'll copy this, rotate it, and then place it here. Good. I can just make a little adjustment here. Good. So I'm done with this. I can simply merge everything together. Then go down to erase color, enable it. All the white color will erase. Good. So I'll copy this. Then mask the copied one, select the old one, go down to eraser. I'll select eraser, increase the size of this, and I'll erase this particular one. I'll erase this carefully so it will not erase the first one I don't want to erase. Good. I'll select this again. I will mask it, select this, and then go to the same eraser, increase the size of this, and then I'll erase this. Good. So I'll mark good. Then I'll change the color of this. I'll go down to color, depending on the color I want to make use of. So I can just select I'll be making use of green at this point. I can just select, or if I don't like this color, I can just pick it from here. Good. Then change the color of this. I'll be picking another color. I'll be picking black. Or better still, I'll pick a dark blue, very dark blue. Good. Then position this to appear as if they are together. So I can just use this position icon to position them well. Good. So I'm done with this. I can simply merge the two together. Okay. So the next thing I'll be adding here is just a little text. I can just select text and then edit. LS company. Then change the font. So I'll just increase the size to fit him. I'll reduce this a bit and place this to be here. Good. I'll add a color to it. So I can just select this first three, select this color, and then select the last four and select this color. Good. I'll pick another text. Chase land and survey. I can just pick this font. Then pick this color. I'll pick this color. Then write just a little write-up about this company, which is we sell, buy, and run land analysis. So I'll make this to be at the middle, align it to be at the middle, place it here. You can simply use this. Then make it bold and change the color. I can simply add a stroke to this. So I guess it's good now. We are good to go now. So I'll merge everything together and just select everything here, merge them together, and then add a shadow to it. I'll add a black shadow, and then make the background to be transparent. Then I'll save with PNG and medium. So this time around, I'll be going to the app I'll be making use of for the mockup. So this is the app Photopea. I can just open this app. For you to be able to install this app, you have to go to your browser, search for bazaar.com. Once you search for bazaar, no, just search for bazaar. Once you search for bazaar, the first site that will appear there, tap on it and then install the application, install the bazaar application. Then from the bazaar application, search for Photopea, and then you will see the app with this icon. Can just simply install it and then make use of it. Now I'll open a new project. Then I'll import. I'll just tap on this tap on back, then go to insert from gallery without crop. I'll take this, which I saved earlier, then tap on this place, convert to 3D mockup. Then I will select the mockup I want to convert it to. You can just check. So I'll prefer to take this. I'll take this. Accept. At this point, you have to watch the ad. You have to watch the ad, because if you don't watch the ad, you won't be able to perform the next step. Good. You can now cancel it here. You can simply cancel this. So the mockup is converting. This is a very easy and simple way to do mockup using your phone. After designing in Pixellab, you can see how the logo is here. You can just save it. Is already saved to my gallery, so if I just go there, I will see it there. So thank you once again for being here again. So if you really learned a new knowledge, you can simply subscribe to this channel. I'll be uploading more videos on logo mockups, so you can just stay tuned and subscribe to get notified when I upload a new video on this. Thank you once again for being here, and don't forget to share.